Hello, I am Siddhant Vardhan Mehta and my roll number is 21BT10029. I made an iPhone 6s case for my DIY lab assignment 1. I got the dimensions of the phone online. So in order to create the cover, I had to create the phone itself. After that, I was able to create the phone cover. So in order to create the phone, I first created a rectangle in the XY plane and I filleted the corners, and then I padded the sketch, and also I made the edges round using the sweep option. And then I made a sketch in the exact plane, and in that sketch I made a rectangle according to the dimensions of the phone so that it can encase the entire phone after I pad it up. uh, then I padded the sketch up, and then I used the boolean expression so that to subtract the body of the phone so that I can get a rough cover itself. And then I finish I gave it its finishing. I padded I filleted the edges, and then I created sketch in respective planes of the headphone jack, charging jack, the speakers, lock button, volume up down button, silent button, the Apple logo, and camera. So and I cutted them using this option, uh, and and that's how I made the cover. After that, I meshed the body. I meshed it fine, and I saved it in the STL mesh form. Then I opened the file in a software named Ultimaker Cura, so that we can slice it up and then generate the G code so that we can feed the G code into the printer and print the final case. So in the Ultimaker Cura, I opened it up and I laid it horizontally like this. And then I set the layer height to be 0.2 millimeter, the infill density to be 100% because I want my case to be strong. I set the extruder temperature at 200 degrees Celsius and the build plate temperature at 80 degrees Celsius. I set the print speed at 60 millimeter per second. I used the build plate adhesion type as brim, and so that now slice it up. So it will take 2 hours 28 minutes to completely print the cover. Its weight will be 18 gram and it will use 2.29 meters of filament. Now let's see how it will print look like when it is printing. So it will